Melee, Brofist. Melee, melee, melee. You want the ball, Brofist? You want this? 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 Give me a Brofist. Give me a Brofist. You gotta give me a Brofist. Melee, you won't get the ball unless you give me a Brofist. Give me a Brofist. Yeah, you're awesome. You're awesome. You're awesome, Melee. You love the ball. Oh, you baby. You're crazy for this ball. Let go of the ball. My hand hurts.
Abby, can you go get me a haircut?
Jump, jump. Come on, Mealy. Jump, 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 jump.
Abby, can you go get me a haircut? Oh, good job.
You're good, Mealy. I caught that on camera.
Go get my haircut.
Okay, Mom. Mealy, I want you to go catch this ball. Come here. Come here, Mealy. 3, sit, Mealy, sit, sit. No. Go catch the ball. She slides across the floor. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Come here, Mealy. Go on. Come on. Come on. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Aw, I hit you in the face. She just keeps sliding across the floor.